Guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to fix an eyelet. Okay, so this is an underbust corset I already made, so I had to use this opportunity to show you guys how to fix an eyelet. And so the things you'll be needing is the eyelet dies. So you also be needing the eyelet itself, and you also be needing the eyelet cover. Yeah, so this is the eyelet and this is the cover, or what do they even call it, but you need these two items. Okay, and another thing you need is this is a soldering iron. Okay, so we are going to be using it to open up where we are going to fix the eyelet. Okay, so I'm going to fix it on the socket so that this place gets it. Okay, and another thing you need is your presser machine. This is the one we'll be using to do the eyelet stuff. All right guys, let's get started. So guys, you can see the lines I marked. You can see these visible lines. It's 1.375 inches apart. Okay, so this is where I'm going to fix in this eyelet. Okay, so I marked 3 inches apart, and this is how the eyelet is going to be on top of it. So you should go ahead and do the same thing for yours. So once I place this eyelet like this, I'm going to use my biro to mark a hole on each line. So this is where I'm going to use the soldering iron to pierce so that I can fix this very well. So you go ahead and do the same thing I'm doing. I'm using this biro because when I use chalk is not going to enter here very well. All right, so this is how you are going to fix your dies. So this bigger one stays here like this, and this smaller one, we are going to screw it up here like I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get my soldering iron. I don't know if it's hot enough, but I'm going to use it to pierce those places I marked. So I'm just going to carefully use it to pierce it, so you can see it's piercing it. So make sure you are very careful so that you don't open more than what we want. Okay, I'm just going to keep adjusting it like that. So if I'll also keep checking if the opening is enough. Yeah, I think this is enough. So you can see this is really enough. I'll go ahead and open up the rest so that it can be like that, like this, and we will go ahead and do our opening. You can see the result of the hole I made with the soldering iron. So we go ahead and do our eyelets. So what I'm going to do now, you can see how I fixed this like so. I'm going to fix it on the opening. So I'm going to fix it like this. Brought this down to the front because my table is not strong. So once I put it like this, and I'm going to press it, so press it very well. And when I bring it out, this is how it looks. very beautiful. So we are going to do another one and I will do the rest. Okay, so we are going to do another one. You get your eyelets, place it on this hole properly. Okay, once you place it very much properly, you place it in here like this, and you get the cover and you use it to cover it like this. Make sure it's placed very much properly. Then you press your vet machine. And this is what I get. So let's as you can see how beautiful this looks after inserting the eyelet. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Go ahead and fix your eyelets so that your own underbust corset will look beautiful. Okay guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.